BMWs. What the heck? Is that Austin yellow M5? I don't think I've ever seen that color on M5. That's crazy. And 2 M8s. Oh, it's Nikon's twin. And it's Ben. What's up, Ben? How are you?
Good, how are you?
What's up, G? I like the hoodie.
Sick, huh?
My boy. What are we doing, bro? There's no way I came out here. I just drove over an hour.
I know. Bro, I was watching your location the whole time. I was like 60 miles away, 50 miles away, 40 miles away.
I was so far, bro. I don't think we're doing much. I think we might go for a little private cruise right now. I think I'm the last one here, but there's a few BMWs, a couple of the LA homies that we always hang out with, and I think we might do a little cruise somewhere. I don't know where, but thought I'd pull up, just finish this vlog because I know I don't have enough. So, but let me know if you guys like the snowboarding stuff. I think we're gonna do another trip soon, and next time maybe we'll do like a boys trip or something like that. Are you gonna be sad?
Boys date.
She actually liked it, but I think I want to do like a boys trip. It would be fun.
Yeah.
We can all go fast.
Then you guys can go fast. Yeah. You're teaching me.
So we'll probably go like Eddie, probably Jay might come, David might come. So it'll be cool. Anyways, let's see what everyone's doing today. Also, by the way, I came from all the way home, so that's why. So I drove a lot right now. And check this out. Look at all this. I have half my freaking life back here, guys. Look what I have in here. We got my YouTube play button. I don't know if you guys have even seen this. Some people might have not, but we got the FindingNick 100K subscriber plaque. Thank you for that, but we got to bring that. You guys might be wondering, why do I have all this in the back? It's because we are getting the new apartment in 2 days, guys. 2 days, bro.
Finally.
I'll move right next to you, G.
Actually, I'm gonna move away from
Bro, stop. You guys know the apartment I chose? I chose it because it's so close to Kevin's house. He told me, he's like, get this apartment, it's by my house.
He wants to be closer to me.
I want to be close, G, come here. I brought everything.
Moving out of his car. Oh my god.
Bro,
Oh, I like the orange one, the orange one.
The orange hat? I know, look at my Lego GTR.
What the?
I put it right there, hopefully it won't break. But yeah, look at it. We got the Nismo GTR.
I already beef, I took it all apart.
Look at this, G.
Oh, this is hard. This is
That's a flex. That's rich right there.
That's gold.
Rich? I need the million one though. Come on, Kevin.
I'm gonna
you gotta get
scratch
this
up and
too.
put Life with KG.
Rich.
Low key, Kevin can hit it
Dude,
this year.
is hard.
Come on.
I'm hoping, bro.
You got it. Look, go subscribe to Kevin, guys.
Bro, I swear I'm
Link
making it
down
into
below.
a big ass chain and walking around with this. Imagine.
Bro, if he gets 100K, we'll make it a chain. I mean, so funny.
That's sick.
think-
I've always wanted to see like.
I think you can open it up and you can actually carry like make that a chain.
Oh, this opens?
I think. I don't know. I've seen other YouTubers, but I've never touched it.
That's sick.
It's not dusty, bro. I don't know.
I know.
Oh, you
You
gotta hang this in your-
Yeah, I was about to say you gotta frame it.
Let me stay on. I've
Oh,
had it for a
comes
long
with it to
time.
frame it. That's hard.
Tie on.
Oh, bro, that's a goal right there. This is so sick.
Come on,
Hey, let me just
Kevin.
scratch this off.
Imagine.
Oh, that's hard.
Life of Finding Nick.
I need good luck to hold on to
Go
this.
show Nico. Yeah, we pretty much got everything, guys, because like I said, in 2 days we're getting a new apartment, so we're already bringing a lot of stuff to LA because yeah, just to have everything ready. Got my skateboard, got a couple stuff we're gonna put in the apartment in a box.
This is so sick, bro.
Yeah, that's just hard.
We still gotta get like a big old U-Haul truck and get the rest of the stuff, but yeah, I'm excited, guys, and I'm also scared. Should we just walk around with it? It's crazy though, right?
That's sick.
I mean, it's insane, bro. 100K subscribers. That's a lot.
A lot.
It's a lot of fucking people.
I think you get every milestone, right? It's
Bro.
100K, a mil,
I know.
10 mil, I think.
Yeah, the next one's at 1 million, so that's a long ways. But feels like I'm never gonna get it, but you never know, bro. I didn't think I would ever get this. So you never
The 10
know.
million one is like a gold one, I think.
Yeah, it's gold and it's bigger and stuff like that.
Yeah.
What's crazy though?
Huh?
Oh my god. You know what's crazy though? 100K subscribers, right? Bro, I think Staples Center is only like 20K people. I think, I swear to God, if you look at like the capacity of Staples Center, it's only 20,000 people. So we could fill up like 5 Staples Centers, bro. Isn't that insane?
100,000 people is a lot.
That's when you get to realize like, whoa, okay, actually is a lot of freaking
watching.
people, bro. Because I would never go in front of all those people at Staples
Imagine you have to
Center.
give a big ass speech to
Hell
everybody.
no, bro. But what's crazy is we post these videos for all the people to watch, but I would never be able to do it on myself, by myself. I don't know where to put it.
Don't just dump it.
Look at the 10 million one, guys.
That's
The
crazy.
diamond one. We got that, but we need the...
Imagine you make that into a chain. You walk around with that. That's
Rich?
crazy. Oh, what the fuck?
Just see if you can buy it. Yo, can I buy that
Maybe you
million?
could, honestly. Maybe I'm gonna look it up. You can. $94. Who the fuck is Tim Hayes, bro?
Bro, no way you can buy it.
What's
What's up?
What's up, bro?
What's up? You ready for Florida?
Yes.
Guys, I didn't even mention that. We're going to Florida. Beamer Invasion. Orlando.
Beamer Invasion. Coding, guys. Coding.
Yeah, hit him, Aries. He's actually going. He's going to code all the cars in Florida. So if anyone's in Florida, he's literally coming out there. He's going to do keys, CarPlay, everything.
Tuning.
And the new keys, which is the most important.
Keys.
That's freaking
He's
sick.
gonna bring the key cutter.
No one
Key
does it over
cutter.
there in Florida?
Nobody.
What'd you say?
Nobody does it in Florida.
No.
Special operation.
So it's going to be sick. So he'll be there. I'll be there. Kevin will be there. It's going to be badass. Maybe Ben. We'll put him in our suitcase or something.
Stuff him in the suitcase.
February 17th, I think. It's going to be sick.
Wow.
Only one? No way. Nikon's saying it's the only Austin Yellow M5 in North America, guys. I mean, I believe it. Look, it got white interior too. That is insane spec. I've never seen that color on the M5. You're probably never gonna see it either. We got Aries' M5, we got the M8s, literally the twins, bro. They literally got the same interior, same exterior, same carbon ceramic brakes, same paint. Everything is identical. Same freaking window sticker, guys. Their VIN numbers are like one number off. How crazy is that? And they found each other. And then we got this G80. Oh my God, it's red on red. Red paint, red leather. Sheesh, bro. So nice. That color's perfect. And then we got the CS matte blue. These are so nice too. Oh my God, Kevin, what the
Look at his steering wheel.
bro?
Look at his steering wheel.
Oh my God, guys, this might be my favorite freaking F80 I've ever seen. I'm not even joking. Those wheels are freaking sick. You know they're like $9 grand
So nice.
for those wheels. Bro, this is literally the freaking paint I want.
Yeah, I remember.
I wanted this color so bad, guys. It's so nice. It's the only orange I like, G. Oh, that shit is sick. Kevin, you need that.
Let's hit the flash real quick.
Bro, that is a sick ass steering wheel.
That is hard.
Boy, it feels like you're freaking playing a video game all day.
Literally.
Bro, this is sick. Should I do the wing?
Best F80.
Should I put the wing on?
The wing, it looks like a race car, bro.
I know, I actually like it.
Fitment and everything is nice.
That's your lip too. Look. Bro, this is literally, I wanted to get this.
This the one you said with the carbon?
There's 2 layers of carbon fiber, guys. Crank up, G.
So it's got double carbon.
Yeah, Kevin's car has carbon and then orange on it.
Yeah.
This one's 2 carbon.
The carbon, it's nice.
I'm already touching his lip.
Hey, with the
My
carbon.
bad, G. Well, that is badass. Yeah, honestly, I might do that lip next after this one. After this one breaks. I swear I'm gonna do this lip next, I think. Aaron's just revving it.
Crank up, G.
Guys, what's crazy is I always say, it might be a little biased, but I always say my F80 is like the cleanest F80 in the world. I always say that. I don't know why. I mean, obviously it's my car, but I love my car setup. Like the TEs, the fitment, the diffuser, all the carbon. Like it's just so perfect to me. But this one might have me beat, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This might be cleaner than mine. It is cleaner than mine. The paint is beautiful. The wheels are insane. All right, this might be my second favorite F80, guys, after mine.
No, but the red.
They're all saying all over Aaron.
All over you.
Austin Yellow. Anyways, guys, I think we're going for a little cruise real quick down to Santa Monica, so it should be cool. I haven't been to Santa Monica in a long time. That shit sounds nice. I think that's the same motor as Nikon's car, right? The M8s. I just want to come out here, finish the vlog a little bit, and it's always cool to see more BMWs. Bro, for some reason, F80s still look better, I think, bro. For some reason, F80s still look better. Like, it looks good, but yeah, the body style is just crazy. I don't know. That shit loud.
Faster than air is. You have gum?
In my mouth.
All right, give me.
Are you ready for Florida?
I'm not going. I don't think.
Why are you scared?
I'm not scared.
Kevin's scared to
I think I
fly,
might be
guys.
busy though that day.
Nah, you're not busy, G.
Valentine's Day.
Bro, no way this guy just fell off his freaking motorcycle. We just saw it, but I didn't record it, obviously, but no way, bro. Bro, that is insane.
Damn.
That sucks, bro. He wasn't even doing anything crazy. He literally just like tried to take off, and I think it just kicked out.
That sun turned hella fast.
He definitely wasn't going fast though. He definitely just like took off. I would say like 10 miles per hour max. But damn, that still sucks, regardless. Thankfully, it was nothing bad, but... Bro, he just like spun out?
He just took the bus. I took the corner so hard, bro.
And it drifted?
He slipped, he fell, and he tipped over.
That fool's embarrassed, bro. He probably just left. Damn, that's crazy.
Homie doesn't even know what happened.
Yeah, his homie doesn't even know, probably.
Bro, I saw him take the corner. I was like, he's for sure falling. In my
Yeah,
hand, I
me
swear.
too.
You took it way too fast, bro.
Yeah,
Fool
way
thinks he's in a fucking Hellcat or something.
Yeah.
Like he's all-wheel drive.
Bro, he like drifted it, huh?
Bro, he
Yeah,
drifted
bro.
it. He just
He
leaped to the
drifted
right
it.
and fell.
Fell.
Fuck, that's crazy,
He had all the
bro.
fighting shit on, though. He was chilling.
You think he got hurt or not?
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah?
But not right now. Tomorrow's gonna feel it in the morning.
Tomorrow.
But he slid though. He slid on the floor.
Anyways, I don't know if we're gonna go to Santa Monica anymore. We were gonna go to Santa Monica, see the pier all lit up. It would have been cool, but everyone lagged. Everyone's going home. I didn't realize how late it is, bro. It's 11 p.m. What the heck are we doing? I got work tomorrow, G.
What do you gotta do?
We gotta work, G. I gotta go edit this vlog. And we move in. New apartment, G.
You excited?
I'm scared.
Are you guys gonna do like a warm welcoming party?
Housewarming?
Yeah.
Party? We could get kicked out the first day.
Huh?
Get kicked out the
Imagine.
first day. Look, Nikon gets so mad.
He's trying to dip, bro.
I know. Just,
See you later, G.
no.
No, I didn't want to say bye.
He gets so mad every time I try leaving.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.